Okay, hi everybody. So today we're going to compare slopes. So what I have here, I have two lines. So if we look at the blue line, right, my y-intercept would be at 1 and my slope would be up to right 3. So if I asked you to write the equation of this line, it should look like that, right? Okay. If I asked you to write the equation of my pink line, my y-intercept is at 2, assuming my scale is going up by 1s. And then my rise would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over 1. So that would be the equation of my line, okay? You can write it as 6x. So just notice, first of all, they are both positive slopes, right? When I ask you to compare them today, I want you to look at these and determine which one is steeper, right? Now, I know a lot of you ski or snowboard. I'm not a huge fan. So I would ski down that one, right? But for those of you who are daredevils, right? I don't know if this is a black diamond, but obviously this would be much steeper to ski down, okay? So you would pretty much say that the slope of the pink line is greater than the slope of the blue line, okay? So we're going to talk today about which ones are steeper. So your next activity is a coloring activity. So you guys will get this soon. So what you're going to do is you're going to start each line at 0, 0, and each slope is a different color. So remember, put your slope over 1 because you need a rise and a run. And it looks like they're all going to be positive. And then what you're going to do is use these colors if you can. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue. I'll leave some crayons at the back table. And then answer these questions, and then Mrs. Doolittle will go over it with you. And then you guys will have some classwork to do. So I'm going to do the first one with you. Feel free to pause this and then come back to the video when you get there. So each question is going to give you 3 different people, right? So it says below are representations of CJ, Holland, and Brandon's speed as they run a race. So Holland, if you look quickly, you can tell what her slope is. It's 6. Brandon, if you guys were to find his slope, it looks to be like 7 over 1. And then remember how we find the slope in a table. Rate of change in y over the change in x. So it's 13 over 2. Now, if you need to use a calculator, you may. Right, so if you do 13 divided by 2, we know that's going to be 6.5. Okay. So I think we can all agree who has the greatest slope. So Brandon would be in first, greatest, right? CJ would be next, and then third place would be Holland. Okay, so that's what you guys are going to compare. Feel free to watch this video again. Bye, guys.